All right. What did he say? Did he fix it?
No. When I brought the bike in, I got it in the shop, and he started shaking his head, looking and saying no. I said, the wheel? I said, could it be the wheel? He said, no. He said,
he didn't fix it.
He didn't even want to look at it.
What do you mean? He put the wheel on there.
He kept shaking his head. I said, well, maybe it's the smaller wheel that you put on here. He said, no, He said, what he did, he said, I know about bikes. He said, he twisted, he potato chipped it.
I potato chipped it on a flat road? On a flat road using the brake? Potato chipped it? I mean, come on. I got it on video.
He did not want to give me the time of day with that. I said,
that was my first ride.
I said, he rode this bike. You see, the tires were worn out.
I put thousands of miles on the stock wheels from Walmart. The rear tire had a flat. I take it to this bicycle shop. The man takes the rear tire off and replaces it with whatever tire he had handy in the shop at the time. And on the first ride, without even putting 2 miles on it, it collapses from using the brake. Come on, man. Come on.
Oh no! Look at this! No! Oh no! Have you ever seen this happen before? Did you see that?
Yeah.
Look at this!
Are you video recording right now?
Yeah!
Oh my God.
So what is going to be the purpose of this video before this happens?
Man, you gotta be kidding me!
How many rims is that this week?
On the road again?
Yeah, that's been right bumpy for a while.
Oh, I can't believe this.
I can. Maybe I can, you never know.
I'm supposed to be able to do stunts and stuff on this bike.
I don't think it's clear.
What kind of tire is this?
I don't know. To me, honest to God, I don't think that tire should be on that bike. It's not the same size.
I mean, I've been riding bikes.
And then he said, I said, well, then basically the bike is garbage. He said, no, the bike is a good bike. He said, you just need a new wheel. I said, well, then why can't you put me a wheel on? He said, well, I don't want to
believe in this. I mean, what kind of bicycle shop don't want to be responsible for their work?
I said, you're a bicycle shop. That's why I brought the bike here, because I figured you knew what you were doing. And look at this.
Man, I tell you.
He just kept shaking his head.
Shaking his head? He put the wheel on there. I mean,
when I walked in, he said, that's garbage.
Garbage, it's his work.
He did not want to take.
He put a smaller wheel on the back than what was on the front, the stock wheel. He put a smaller wheel on there, and I mean, if you can't use the brake on a bicycle without it with potato chipping, next time he'll say I tacoed it. You know, then he's gonna say I did a bean burrito on it. Come on, man. I'm not out here doing bean burritos in the street.
He said you potato chipped it.
Potato chipped it.
He said it's what we call a potato chip. I said, well, which kind? Lay's?
I ain't believing this. I can't believe this. This beats all I ever seen. This man sold me the worst wheel I've ever had in my life.